What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kerr Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're out here at one of our favorite local reservoirs, and we decided we were going to do a little review on the leader feeder by Bendables Products. Now, this leader feeder was recently sent to us, and we have loved it. We've used it for only the past few weeks, but it's been such a help, and it saves you a lot of time. All right, so as I mentioned, this is the leader feeder by Bendables Products. I believe this retails for under $20. Exactly what this is this box is designed to help you on the go be able to fish quicker and be able to just have things more readily available. Now, with the leader feeder, I'm going to open it up here. Basically, all you do is it comes with these 4 black rubber bands, and that's to keep everything in place. But what this is for is you're going to pre-tie your leader onto your hooks, and we have about 3.5 feet of leader tied on these because that's what we like. You're going to pre-tie all of your leader onto your hooks. You're going to fit your hooks in these grooves, and you're then going to follow the instructions and the motion on wrapping it in, and basically you should be able to just pull any of your hooks and you can pull it straight out and the leader will come out with it and you're good to go. This is super simple. It's been a huge time saver. It's really nice to be able to just tie 20 hooks or so all in one go while you're at the house, and then you can just come out here in the field and you're good to go and you can just pull them out. We've got a huge thumbs up for this product. Like I said, we've only had this for a few weeks, but we have tried it and it has helped a lot. It's really quick to see that in action. Basically, you're going to just grab your treble hooks, which is what we're using, and then you're just going to pull them straight out, and your leader comes straight out. You've got your hook, you've got the rest of your leader all tight in your box, and you're good to go. You just tie this onto your line and you're ready to fish. Yep, there you go. That's all for today, guys. Once again, this is the leader feeder from Bendable Products, and the link will be down in the description. We've been lucky enough to partner up with these guys, and they've been great, so make sure you guys go head to their website, check out some of their products. Also, if you're interested in any of our Kerr Outdoors merchandise, here I've got a hoodie and a hat. Make sure you guys go down to our website, that is kerroutdoors.com, and pick you up some merch. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.